The importance of hydration for overall well-being. Water is often referred to as the elixir of life, and for good reason. It is a fundamental element that sustains all life on Earth, and its significance in maintaining our well-being cannot be overstated. Hydration, or the process of maintaining adequate water levels in the body, is vital for the proper functioning of various bodily systems and plays a pivotal role in promoting overall health and wellness. In this article, we will delve into the multifaceted importance of hydration and how it contributes to our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. The physiology of hydration. Understanding the physiological aspects of hydration is crucial in comprehending its importance for overall well-being. The human body is primarily composed of water, accounting for about 60% of an adult's total body weight. This water is distributed throughout the body and is present in cells, blood, muscles, and organs. It serves several critical functions. Temperature regulation. Water helps regulate body temperature through sweating and evaporation, especially during physical activity or exposure to hot environments. B. Nutrient transportation. Water is a medium for transporting essential nutrients, minerals, and oxygen to cells, and removing waste products from metabolic processes. C. Lubrication of joints. Adequate hydration ensures that joints and tissues remain lubricated, aiding in smooth movement and preventing stiffness or discomfort. D. Cellular function. Water is fundamental for cellular function, allowing cells to carry out various biochemical reactions necessary for life. Physical health benefits of hydration. Maintaining proper hydration levels yields a multitude of physical health benefits, impacting various bodily functions and systems. A. Improved physical performance. Dehydration can lead to reduced endurance, increased fatigue, and impaired strength during physical activities. Proper hydration optimizes performance and enhances exercise efficiency. B. Digestive health. Ample water intake aids digestion and prevents constipation by softening stools and promoting regular bowel movements. C. Skin health. Proper hydration contributes to healthy, glowing skin by moisturizing it from within and promoting elasticity, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and blemishes. D. Kidney function. Adequate hydration supports kidney function by assisting in the filtration of waste products from the blood and preventing kidney stones and urinary tract infections. E. Weight management. Drinking water before meals can create a feeling of fullness, potentially reducing calorie intake and aiding in weight management. Mental and cognitive benefits of hydration. Hydration is closely linked to mental clarity, concentration, and overall cognitive function. A. Enhanced brain function. Proper hydration ensures optimal brain function, improving focus, alertness, and mental clarity. B. Mood regulation. Dehydration can affect mood and lead to increased feelings of anxiety, irritability, and fatigue. Staying hydrated supports a more stable and positive mood. C. Prevention of headaches. Dehydration is a common trigger for headaches and migraines. Drinking sufficient water can help reduce the frequency and intensity of these headaches. Detoxification and immune support. Water is crucial for the body's detoxification processes and supporting a robust immune system. Toxin elimination. Hydration helps flush out toxins and waste products from the body through sweat, urine, and bowel movements. B. Immune system support. Proper hydration supports the immune system, aiding in the prevention and management of illnesses and infections. Hydration and longevity. Staying adequately hydrated is linked to a longer, healthier life. And longevity. Studies have shown that staying properly hydrated can contribute to a longer lifespan by reducing the risk of chronic illnesses and promoting overall health. Tips for staying hydrated. To ensure you maintain optimal hydration levels and reap the associated benefits, follow these practical tips. Drink water regularly. Consume water throughout the day, even when not thirsty, to maintain hydration levels. B. Monitor urine color. Check the color of your urine. A pale yellow color indicates proper hydration, while dark urine may be a sign of dehydration. C. Incorporate water-rich foods. Include fruits and vegetables with high water content, such as watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges, in your diet. D. Carry a water bottle. Keep a refillable water bottle with you to encourage regular water consumption, especially when on the go. E. Set reminders. Use alarms or reminders on your phone or computer to prompt you to drink water throughout the day. Conclusion. Hydration is a foundational pillar of overall well-being, impacting our physical, mental, and emotional health. From supporting bodily functions and optimizing physical performance to enhancing brain function and promoting longevity, the importance of staying adequately hydrated cannot be overstated. By understanding the vital role of water in our bodies and adopting strategies to ensure proper hydration, we can take significant strides towards a healthier and more fulfilling life. So, drink up, stay hydrated, and prioritize your well-being.